You know, a lot of people talking about TEMU. My friends told me about it, so but I was just gonna try to order some items from TEMU. So we got our package. Let's see. Oh, I'm outside, so there is Air Force plane passing by. My house is close to the Air Force base, so it's really nice to be outside. So I decided to just hang out outside. Come on, Patrick. Patrick, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah, we have to put gate over there. I think that is a cable. Patrick, I'm talking. Patrick, I'm talking. I'm making a video. Can you just be quiet right now? Yes, I need you to be quiet. Go for there. Go for there. Go potty. So Patrick messed with that. I think that's Patrick, stop. Patrick. So so he messed with that cable. It's something, but I think that is internet cable or something, or probably a TV cable. I don't know. That connects to the neighbor, linked to the neighbor's internet. So so we blocked that thing, so the dog cannot get to it again. So these are the items I got from TEMU. So I got this one. It's a breast pump. It's supposed to be cordless. I think it's cordless. So it's a electric breast pump. Oh yeah, it's cordless. So I can hold Skylar, I can hold my baby, and while pumping my milk. And then this one is the, oh, I thought I got one. It was around $1 or something, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is to hang. This is something that I can hang stuff. And then this one. So I'm keeping my plastic bags for recycling. So I'm gonna use this to store it. See, I can just put my plastic bag inside. So if I need it, I just grab it. What else? Oh, this is a mashed potato slasher. This is mashed potato slasher. See? Patrick, stop it! I give you attention, okay? I give you attention earlier. I spent time with you. No, you're gonna wake up Skylar. Yes, you're gonna wake up Skylar. Oh, it's a little windy here. And then I got this for Raleigh's hair, and with the direction in the back, how to utilize this. See? And then what else? Oh yeah, this is for my utensil if I cook. So I can just put my spatula right here. This is the kitchen tool. Patrick, And then I think I'm gonna unboxing this breast pump. I don't remember what color I got. Probably white. I just picked the cheap one. Oh, so this is the cord. So do I need to charge this? Okay, so I think this is the battery from it. Ah, this one. And then, oh, it's big bowl. Sorry. Take a walk, Patrick, with Jaden. Go take a walk. See, nice. So I'm going to charge my breast pump. I only got one. I only purchased one. It's $20.16. Oh, the battery is already full. Nice. I'm gonna wash it, and I'm gonna wash this part, and I'm gonna use it. Okay, I double check my breast pump. Turned out that when the battery is full, it turned green. So glad I leave it short. Bye, Patrick. Go take a walk with Jaden, okay? And be good. Be good, okay? Bye, love you. Have fun. See, I put the plastic bag already. And I think I'm gonna hang it right here in my kitchen cabinet. So this is the one that I got. It's a sticker. Oh, this is actually candle wax. That one. So thing right here. So I remove the sticker. Probably right here in case I want to get another bag right here. Probably right here. Yeah, I'm reusing this plastic bag for the trash bag for our bathroom trash can. All right. See, so if I need bags, I can just pull it from the bottom. See, like that. And this one, this storage, the storage is only 95 cents, and this one 89 cents, and I got 4. This the potato masher. Well, I don't need it right now. The price is $1.79. And this one I don't know what it's called, but it's for this. See, so if I cook something, I need to put my utensil or my spatula, and there's what, there is a right here. I mean, I saw the picture online at TEMU, like that probably, or probably the other side, maybe like this. So this the cost is 96 cents. So this is for Raleigh's hair.
This a curl?
Yeah, give you direction. Give you direction. This is to braid it, to braid your hair.
So do I braid it and put butterfly clips in?
It's supposed to be 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. So I got this for 69 cents. I need to look online about this one. How to use this one. I know to braid hair, but I don't know how to use it. So I also got this for $1.50 egg. See, 2 for $1.50 egg. And Raleigh gonna wear this for Valentine. And I also got this dress. Can you hold this dress, honey? Raleigh, please. So this is $6.90. Let me double check. And Raleigh gonna wear this for Valentine, for your school's Valentine's party. So $6.90. It's affordable price. So for my baby Skylar, I got this for $8.99.